Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about ternary operator in JavaScript. So in JavaScript, the ternary operator is a shorthand way of writing the if-else statement. It is also known as the conditional operator. And the syntax is, first we have the condition, and then we have the question mark, and after that we have the truthy expression, and then we have colon, and after that we have the falsy expression. So whenever the condition become true, then the truthy expression will be executed and returned, and if that is false, then the falsy expression will be executed and returned. Like an example, here we have the traditional if-else statement, which is really long and complex. So to reduce the size and make it more clean, we can use the ternary operator. So first of all, I'm gonna comment this out, and here we're going to write message equal, and then first of all we have to have the condition. So the condition will be same as age greater than equal 18. So if the age is greater than equal 18, then we have the truthy expression, and we're going to return adult, and then we have the colon, and after the colon we'll have the falsy expression. So if the age is not greater than equal 18, then we're going to assign minor, and after that of course we are just console logging our message. So here you can see we have the output as adult. If we just reduce the age to 10, and now you can see we have the output as minor. So this is really working the same way as in the case of if-else statement. So the main benefits of using the ternary operator is that it makes our code clean and concise. Like here in example, here the code was very complex, but with the use of the ternary operator, the code is now very clean and concise, and also it makes our code more readable and easier to understand. So here you can see here the code is very much simple and easier to understand, and also it reduces the code size. Here you can see in case of the if-else statement, it is taking more code size, but with the use of the ternary operator, the code size reduces dramatically. So this is the way we can make use of the ternary operator in JavaScript. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.